14 pistachio benefits that prove this is the best snack ever. Due to the lack of movement, remote working has exacerbated our snacking habits, resulting in alarming weight gain. However, there are delicious and healthy snack options available to satisfy your cravings. Contrary to popular belief, nutritious snacks can also be tasty, and one such example is nuts. Nuts, such as cashews and peanuts, are packed with nutrients and flavor. Today, we would like to highlight the benefits of pistachios for you and your family. Pistachio nuts, also referred to as pista, have a variety of colors that are a natural phenomenon, and they offer a delicious and nourishing taste. Although it may not have the traditional crunch associated with nuts, pistachios are a satisfying alternative for your daily snack. In this discussion, we will explore the different varieties of pistachios and provide guidance on how to incorporate them into your diet. Pistachio benefits. Why are pistachios considered healthy? Pistachios contain healthy fats that can promote a healthier heart and lower the risk of various heart diseases, including stroke. Additionally, they are known to enhance the body's immune system, combat internal and external free radicals, aid digestion, and enhance overall health and beauty. 1. Helps in weight loss. Pistachios are a great source of fiber, which helps reduce appetite in a healthy manner by providing a feeling of fullness after consumption. This is why they are an excellent snacking choice that can help prevent overindulgence. Moreover, the healthy fats found in pistachios can help regulate calorie intake. 2. Lowers blood sugar levels. Regular consumption of pistachios can have a miraculous effect on those with type 2 diabetes. Research indicates that pistachios can effectively regulate blood sugar levels due to their high phosphorus content, which aids in breaking down proteins into amino acids. Incorporating pistachios into one's diet can help regulate blood sugar levels and promote better diabetes management. 3. Promotes a healthy heart. Pistachios are effective in controlling cholesterol levels, which can ultimately help prevent heart disease. Excessive weight gain can put stress on the heart, leading to stroke and other heart-related issues. Pistachios help prevent overeating and regulate calorie intake, which can contribute to healthy weight management. Incorporating a bowl of pistachios into one's morning routine can help reduce calorie and cholesterol levels. Additionally, pistachios are a rich source of vitamin E, which can aid in filtering out bad cholesterol and plaque from the body, allowing for improved blood flow. 4. Keeps the nervous system safe. Pistachios are an excellent source of vitamin B6, which aids in the formation of myelin, a protective sheath around nerves that enhances their functioning and safeguards the nervous system. The vitamin B6 in pistachios also supports the proper functioning of amines, which are molecules that transmit messages throughout the body. Regular consumption of pistachios can aid in the secretion of internal acids that help soothe the nerves. 5. Boosts the immune system. In addition to its nerve-boosting benefits, vitamin B6 found in pistachios is crucial for the production of healthy red blood cells, which helps maintain optimal lymph and spleen function. This essential nutrient also strengthens the body's ability to combat infections and free radicals. Regular consumption of pistachios can significantly boost the immune system, enabling it to fight infections and keep the body protected and healthy. 6. Improves hemoglobin. Pistachios contain vitamin B6, which plays a vital role in the production of hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is responsible for carrying oxygen in the bloodstream, and vitamin B6 in pistachios aids in the faster and more efficient production of this crucial component. As a result, the body can function optimally. 7. Improves vision. Did you know that eating pistachios regularly can improve your eyesight? This is because pistachios are an excellent source of carotenoids, including lutein and zeaxanthin, which are potent antioxidants. These antioxidants are effective in combating age-related macular degeneration and improving vision by enhancing the sharpness of eyesight. 8. Makes digestion better. Fiber is crucial for maintaining healthy digestion, and pistachios are a rich source of both soluble and insoluble fibers. These fibers facilitate the smooth movement of stools through the digestive tract, making the process of digestion more efficient. By preventing conditions like diarrhea and constipation that may arise due to a weak digestive system, pistachios help promote healthy digestion. 9. Tackles inflammation. Inflammation is a key factor in the development of various heart ailments. However, the anti-inflammatory properties of pistachios can help combat inflammation at a cellular level, promoting better heart health. 10. Makes hair better. Pistachios are beneficial for making hair stronger and shinier due to their high biotin content. Biotin helps prevent hair loss and nourishes dry hair by increasing its flexibility. One can consume pistachios as a snack or make a pistachio hair mask to obtain the benefits of biotin. Additionally, a pistachio hair mask provides deep conditioning and helps treat split ends. Pistachios also contain fatty acids that promote hair growth. 11. Prevents premature aging. Pistachios have a moisturizing and nourishing effect on the skin and can improve its elasticity. This is due to the high content of fatty acids found in pistachios. Additionally, the vitamin E content helps combat dryness and acts as an anti-aging agent, giving the skin a refreshed and youthful appearance. Regular massage with pistachio oil can also provide significant benefits. 12. Improves brain health. The nutrients found in pistachios facilitate the supply of oxygen to the bloodstream, which is essential for the production of white blood cells or WBCs, thereby boosting the immune system. Pistachio is also rich in vitamin B6, which aids in the production of hemoglobin and improves the circulation of oxygen in the blood. This enhances brain function and overall brain health by ensuring a steady supply of oxygen. 13. Prevents cancer. According to research, eating pistachios can help prevent cancer due to the presence of antioxidants in the bloodstream and the high vitamin B6 content that increases white blood cell count. White blood cells are effective in fighting not only free radicals, but also cancer-causing elements. 14. Imparts UV protection. Regular consumption of pistachios can help protect the skin from the harmful effects of UV rays. This is due to the high concentration of vitamin E in pistachios, which helps to create a natural barrier against the sun's damaging rays. The vitamin E also nourishes the skin, making it supple and soft while fighting against free radicals that can attack cell membranes. Protecting the skin from UV rays can also help prevent premature aging. Q. Can pregnant women consume pistachios? A. Nuts are an essential part of any pregnant woman's diet, and it includes pistachios. The reason being, pistachios are rich in many vitamins, minerals and antioxidants that help oxygenate the blood cells in the body and also boost immunity. It also helps prevent joint pains. Most of doctors recommend a nut diet during pregnancy. However, each pregnancy is a different one. It would be better if you consult with the doctor first before starting the diet yourself. Q. What would happen if I eat too many pistachios? A. Anything in excess is bound to have negative effects. Pistachio consumption is no different. Too much of it can lead to abdominal pain, indigestion, bloating, constipation, and basically the reverse of every good effect it has. Snack, but within your limits. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.